You ready?
Yeah, bud. Not on that one.
Not on this one, buddy.
All right, next standard we're going to do is the bill drill. So 6 rounds from the holster. Cold standard, we're going to aim. The standard is 2 seconds. However, we don't know what our cold standard time is. So we're going to give it a run. All in the outside of the C is a fail. All inside the C scoring zone is what we're aiming for. All right, ready?
Let's give it a go.
Stay on the target you're on, might as well. Shooter ready?
Ready.
Stand by. Cold standard 2.25 on the first run. Pretty good. Pass for cold standard time. 2:15 second time through. Without that trigger freeze. So your 5th round was at 178. So if you had to actually pull the trigger, you're under. Stand by.
Those first 3 were quick. Grip was all over.
So Scotty in his true form likes to do 1 extra round, but if we take it back, cold standard 2.01, bill drill 6 rounds, and that was all within the C scoring zone.
Yeah.
All right, let's kick a ribbit.
You ready?
Yeah, bud. Not on that one.
Not on this one, buddy.
Yep.
All right. Shooter ready.
Fuck, that was quick. Are you saying shooter ready and then pressing it?
Yeah, because you didn't say stand by. You were ready. Look at you. Gary's always ready.
Oh, fuck. Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Yep.
Shooter ready.
Yep. Stand by. Yep.
All right.
Slow trigger. Slow trigger, Gary.
So 2.27. First shot 1.17. Good.
227.
All right.
Okay.
Shooter ready.
Yep.
Stand by.
I haven't trigger freeze.
Yeah. It's just the first shot was 1.06.
Yeah.
The total 6 is 2.19.
219.
Yeah. So we know if we get rid of that freeze, we're flying.
Yeah. All right. Happy days. Let's. Cool.
All right. Shooter ready.
Yep.
Stand by. First shot 1.03 with a total time of 2.03. So we're right on that.
203. So, what a 203? What were you 201? Something like.
Yeah.
So, cold standard, bill drill. Standard is 2. However, hey, we're just outside of it. I'm actually pretty happy with that considering. When was the last time you even shot a bill drill?
Oh, it's been 4
months.
Yeah.
Months, and it's been at least 2 months since I've shot pistol. So I'm pretty happy with that. All right, we'll move on to the next cold standard.